Direnera kaya agawin. Direnera kaya agawin. Direnera kaya agawin. Direnera kaya agawin. Agawin, 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 agawin. Direnera kaya agawin. Direnera kaya agawin. Direnera kaya agawin. Direnera kaya agawin. Agawin, 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 agawin.
Ito kayang agawin, di kayang gayahin kahit aralin pa. Walang kahalin tulad at walang kaulit para tatak ng aking mga daliri, bro. Dapat isa mo mukha sa top 10, disibilin sa mga kakaiba. Pag hindi papatahin ko mga paborito mo rapper sa katao, ikaw kaya mamili ka. Fuck this man, I can just write the shit like it's an essay. Technically I'm a lyrical monster cause I eat rappers like buffet shit. I can go all the way, I'm gonna kill this motherfucking beat, man. I knew we're gonna be the witness and more niggas still Friday the 13th in Paris, man. Fuck, no mic, just street cypher. When you're in the studio, you write good rhymes. I hate seeing flatline poses, me a right boss, it's my last sound. I'm fucking different than y'all, underrated and raw. And I give you hook in this track later, aim right straight in your jaw. I'm running back, man, I'm ahead of the pack, man. I'm the realest and the illest, the baddest, I'm on the list. So president knows for what happens, and listen to bullshit and no bullshit on the internet. Ha, mic melts every time I spit, don't come near me cause I'm so fucking sick. Don't play mo kung pumikit na hindi sa kalamangan kita nagkata ko lupit.
Motherfucker, you can suck on this jumping shit that'll make you wonder if you really wanna be the one that step into the ring. I don't think it's gonna be a bloody mess. I whack them, see apocalypse, they wanna know what kind of foreign they look for force came to determine my origin. No, I'm not rich, no, I won't be your boyfriend. No one will be pulling out my sex organ. Too many of my dick already. Whenever I want to spit, they get the cameras ready. I'm unbeatable, yes, I beat them all too easily, like I take it to Eddie. What you know about the what I buy, except for the fact that my style is exciting. My freestyles are better than whatever you're writing. For real, if you're gonna do what I can do is shut up because we don't play. I see a lot of other rappers trying to be doing it in a similar way. Copycats, get original, be creative Filipino. Get unpredictable, sick and flow. Say something that nobody did before. Kamu terenera kakayano, naganhin mo na namon. Butang ini nga kanta, iyo playlist nga nag-replay alayon. Mga 2,000 ka beses kita akamedretin on S-Lex. We tryna take it really far, denial did kiss to get
Direnera kay agawin. It corona tikang akot. Diri sa dang bagahukal pa. Itinad man mo kulang pa. Maging haning at luwit mata. Panigunon kultura tara. Puro tanga sarabi ng yakam. Putusin lara at panyakan. Mga batos ko kadamo na. Humirayon lato sa naktura. I'm being the best, I'm real good. Let me talk my shit cause it feels good. Labot ko at mga titulo. Pre young keezy, titulado. Sukulo di gramo panimayat. Grado di matadagot pa ang sungang paho. Lutawid klaro, lunudit laro. Lutawid klaro, lunudit laro.
Been sober, this is work now. Bank on how this turns out. This ain't drive-bys and burnouts. This is holy water flowing in droughts. I break bread and drop knowledge. Never trapped and I top college. I'm never soft, come step and challenge. Beat you up in any quarter alley. Got it 100 and paid dues. Been low-key and made moves. Stay relevant, spread my network. I'm a greasy, stack my network. Tigang katigang harayo, naklatak mapiraw paghulat. Waray nakalana.
Direnera kaya agawin. Direnera kaya agawin. Direnera kaya agawin. Direnera kaya agawin. Agawin, 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 agawin. Direnera kaya agawin. Direnera kaya agawin. Direnera kaya agawin. Direnera kaya agawin. Agawin.